How many times have you heard on television commercials or magazine ads that oatmeal is the healthiest thing that you can eat for breakfast? Breakfast obviously is the most important meal of the day. And if you're going to eat breakfast, you should eat oatmeal because it is a superfood. It lowers your cholesterol. It protects your heart. It's really just the king of foods, right? Well, I'm Dr. Adrian, family physician with 20 years of clinical experience. And that's what this video is about. What would happen if you started to eat oatmeal every single day? Now, right off the bat, let me say, I'm not talking about those little prepackaged things of oatmeal that are full of sugar and preservatives and ground up oat particles. I am talking about in this video the most organic, hand-picked, unprocessed, non-GMO steel-cut oats you can find in the world. If you know someone who eats oatmeal every day, please consider sharing this video because it could actually help improve their health in the long run. One thing that might happen if you start eating oatmeal every day is that you might lower your total cholesterol and maybe even your LDL cholesterol. Problem is, emerging research is showing that lowering your total cholesterol and maybe even lowering your LDL cholesterol probably isn't that healthy. Plus, you would have to eat 10 to 20 bowls of oatmeal a day to actually get a noticeable reduction in your total cholesterol. Oatmeal is very high in carbohydrates and contains a starch called amylopectin A, which the amylase, an enzyme in your mouth and stomach, starts to break down immediately into sugar. So one thing you're definitely going to notice when you start eating oatmeal every day is a big spike in your blood sugar and a matching spike in your insulin levels. Both of these are going to cause problems in your body. Your high blood sugar from eating the oatmeal is going to start to glycate all the cells in your body. You may have heard of a test called a hemoglobin A1C. That's a measure of glycated red blood cells. What people don't know is that high levels of blood sugar actually glycate all of your cells, even cells in your brain, the cartilage in your joints, the cells in your gut lining. Glycating cells basically mucks up their cellular metabolism and their cellular mechanisms. Not a good thing at all. Having high levels of glucose and insulin is going to definitely help you store more fat. Not only on your booty and your belly, but also in your liver and in your pancreas, the two most dangerous kinds of stored fat on the human body. So if you're looking to gain fat, then eating oatmeal every day is a great idea. Oatmeal does contain some vitamins and minerals, but most of them are bound up and rendered useless to the human body by a protein found in oatmeal called avenin. This protein, so basically whatever vitamins and minerals are in there, are just going to pass through your system and you're not going to be able to absorb them or use them. Avenin also is a gluten-like protein. And so, yeah, you're like, wait, what? Gluten-free? I thought oats were gluten-free. Technically they are, but the avenin in oats acts like gluten in your gut. And so you're going to wind up with increased gut inflammation from eating your bowl of oatmeal every day. The inflammation caused from avenin, the gluten-like protein in oats, is usually going to manifest itself in the gut. And so if you have ulcerative colitis or Crohn's disease or irritable bowel disease, and they're going to get worse when you start eating your bowl of oatmeal every day. This inflammation doesn't always manifest itself in the gut. Sometimes it'll manifest in the skin as worsening acne or a flare-up of your eczema or your psoriasis. And sometimes it manifests itself in your joints as a flare-up of arthritis joint pain. If you have an autoimmune condition, then you can also increase your odds of having a flare-up of that autoimmune condition from eating your daily serving of oats. Oatmeal is also going to raise your triglycerides. Triglycerides go up when you eat sugar, not fat. Triglycerides also, by keeping your insulin chronically high, are going to give you something called hyperinsulinemia, which is also going to lead to an increase in your blood pressure. So if you have hypertension and you start eating a bowl of oatmeal every day, and keep a close eye on your blood pressure because it's probably going to go up. Since oats are so nutrient void and they're high carbohydrate, and you're going to digest through this quickly and you're going to wind up hungry again in 2 hours. And then you get to have a nice little oatmeal bar or an oatmeal protein shake. And so you get to do that every 2 hours for the entire day because oats don't provide any meaningful degree of satiety or hunger fighting your hunger. They just don't give you that. Oats are full of plant fiber. And so thanks to that, you can look forward to much larger bowel movements, more frequent bowel movements, and increased irritation in your colon. As we said earlier, you can probably expect a flare-up of your irritable bowel, ulcerative colitis, or Crohn's if you follow the serving suggestion on the television commercial and add 2 slices of whole wheat toast and a big glass of fresh squeezed orange juice. You're going to magnify every single thing I just told you by a factor of 2, if not 3. So I guess maybe you shouldn't do any of this. My point is that oatmeal is a terrible food for human beings. I hope you figured that out along the way in this video. I hope this video has helped you at least a little bit, if not a lot of bit. If you enjoy videos that blend science and common sense and paleoanthropological evidence, along with a little dose of snark, then please click that subscribe button and the little bell button right beside it so that every time I have a bright idea, you'll be one of the very first people to know. This is Dr. Adrian. I'll see you next time.